My name is Paul Ainsworth, and today me and my team are going to be showing you some dishes from number 6. The dish I'm going to be doing for you is smoked haddock quiche lorraine. It's a wonderful sablé biscuit case. Inside that we caramelise the onions for a long time. Folded through the onions is smoked bacon and crème fraîche for acidity. Then in the middle of that we take a wonderful St. egg yolk. On top of that we take a beautiful piece of beech smoked haddock. Then to give more eggs we use caviar. Then we just finish it with a really intense sauce. So first on the plate we put the pastry case. Now into the pastry case we put the onions, the bacon and the crème fraîche. We make a little well and we just put this nice bit of indulgent comfy egg yolk. On top of that, this beautiful piece of smoked haddock that's been poached in butter. On top of that, the caviar, and then we just finish it with this wonderful light, airy smoked haddock sauce. So there we have smoked haddock quiche lorraine.
Hi, I'm John Walton, head chef, Paul Ainsworth at number 6. The dish I'm going to do for you today is Hogget syrup pudding, garlic red wine ketchup, sweetbreads, pickled cucumber and celeriac fricassee. Firstly, mince down the fat from the kidneys to make lamb fat pudding. And then we make this lovely ragout with lots of alcohol. So we've got 3 bottles of red wine, a bottle of port in there, really reduced down, lots of aged lamb fat going through that pudding. And then to the side, we've got lovely confit lamb tongue, roasted sweetbreads, and salt baked celeriac that we're going to salt bake, take out, brush in lamb fat again, aged lamb fat, and roast off. And we've got celeriac puree as well going onto that dish from all the trimmings of the celeriac. So I'm going to dress the dish by placing the glazed Hogget syrup pudding to the centre of the plate, and then I'm going to put dots of garlic and red wine ketchup around the pudding. To the side of the plate we're going to have like a fricassee of the salt baked celeriac, the celeriac puree, the roasted lamb tongue, the roasted lamb sweetbreads with dots of celeriac puree in between. Finish with julienne of mint and celery leaf, and then for texture we're going to be placing some roasted lamb breast on top. We're going to finish it with a beautiful lamb sauce that we make from all of the bones of the lamb. Going to be served at the table, just poured lightly over the pudding, and then the rest is left for the customer. So there we have Hogget syrup pudding, garlic and red wine ketchup, sweetbreads, pickled cucumber and celeriac fricassee.
My name's Chris McClurg. I'm the senior sous chef at Paul Ainsworth at number 6. The dish I'm going to cook for you today is Barkham blue cheese with apple pie and Cornish orchard cider. So the mise en place that I'm going to take you through today centres around the execution of a beautifully made classic apple Tarte Tatin. So this time of year we find pink lady apples are the best. We want an apple that's quite high in dry matter, so it really takes the caramel, caramelizes beautifully and also suck up a lot of that caramel that's in the pan. A really well made puff pastry, just really classically made, all butter, beautiful quality butter, amazing quality flour, executed fantastically. Every day, twice a day, we build the Tarte Tatin, so we'll build 6 beautiful Tarte Tatins for lunch, 6 for dinner. So when we come to finish the dish, we'll warm the tart whole in its entirety. We'll turn it out last second, which will keep all the moisture in the apples and the texture in the pastry. We'll portion a beautiful wedge of tart, piece of cheese, beautifully room temperature, really chilled glass of cider. We'll bring it together last second, finish it, and that's how it goes into the dining room. So there we have our cheese course, Barkham blue with apple pie and Cornish orchard cider.